I want to title this lecture, What You Can Do That Salah ad-Din Couldn't, who spent his life bringing glory to this ummah, with his heart beating for Masjid al-Aqsa, never in his life made Hajj. SubhanAllah. Never had the opportunity to actually go to Hajj. And I want you to think about his heart as much as it would beat for Masjid al-Aqsa and it beat fi sabilillah. And a man who would acquire ilm and a man who would acquire closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But due to his responsibilities and due to the unique role that he had, he never had the opportunity to go for Hajj. But with that being said, how many people do you think have done Hajj on behalf of Salahuddin al-Ayyubi rahimahullah? How many people do you think at the miqat said, Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik an Salahuddin? Made dua for him at the Kaaba. Made dua for their kids to be like Salahuddin during Hajj, during Tawaf. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not write him specifically down for a Hajj in his own lifetime.